Dear student, this is second sheet on Sciography. Here we are going to make an shade and shadow for a rectangular prism. So I have drawn two-point perspective view of an prism. So it is ready. Now it is ready for to show Sciography. So from station point to PP we have to draw a line such a way that on perspective for this line it has to be parallel. So you can use a set squares if you have. So this is the parallel line what I got, and this I mark it as V1, and I am going to project it till HL and little bit towards down also. So this one I mark it as also as a V1 only. So this is just for planned position, and this is vanishing point for the plans of the light rays. So from this point, V1 point, we have to draw an arc. So if you don't have a compass, you can follow the method what I have done. So making V1 as center and SP, from V1 to SP there is a radius. I am going to draw a arc. So the arc will be look like this. So you can draw better arc by using compass. So from this point I'll mark it as an O here, and that I'll project it till here on HL. So I'll mark it as O. When you make any mistakes taking a parallel, this can be shifted somewhere. Be careful doing that. So from taking O point, we have to draw a line such a way that it has to collide in V1 what we have drawn. So to do that, so on this cube, this is the nearest point to the O. So I will make in line with these two point O and the nearest point of the cube. So here I am going to draw a line. So this line is called, this point is called as V2. So what is this? This is vanishing point for the actual light rays when the light source is located behind the spectator. So that means here the light source is behind the spectator. So here we don't know where the light source is there. So this is at infinite behind of a spectator, the light source is there. So we are assuming that from this point the light rays is coming, and this is the vanishing point for the actual light rays. So that is mentioned as V2. Now this vanishing point, from this vanishing point I will draw a light rays to all the corners. So because from this only, so light rays is coming from infinite source, we don't know where it is. So I will draw a line which is touching all the corners to this point. All the corners we have to do it. Now this from the plan, whatever the lines which is there, we'll join it to V1. Now we can see the light rays, and for that corner also we'll just draw if in case if it is required. Now wherever it has been collided, we'll mark it that one. So this point and that corner A. So here this point, and here this is the second one, and here is that third one. So this last point which is there on this line, and which is we have drawn that we have to join to VP to get the complete shadow. So here this one. So now the shadow of this object will be something like this. This is the shadow of this object. And this is shade. So this is how the object looks.